gusto matabo. So, in case of Tuboso, si alias Joe, si Arnel Tapang, we have been trying to neutralize him tungkol precisely sini nga iya nga siya gid mismo ang responsable sa series of liquidation or assassination sa mga taga Northern Negros. So amo ni ginamon na grupo for the past, even yung si Governor Lacson was alarmed about this. He relayed to me na isa nung top na inapagpamatay dira sa Northern Negros. And lately, may araman katabo sa Kawayan and Kabangkalan. May nakabo. I think you have that sa mga news. So, amuman gyapon nga situation, you heard about spy tagging, no? So, you heard about that, na ang suspected spy daw ng government force ay inalang ginapatay nila and gina-claim nila. So, we have to address that. That's why we have to intensify our operations in Negros to address this, to prevent yung kahadlok na ginadulot sini sa Pumuluyo sa mga areas like Kawayan, Kabangkalan, in Calatrava, in Tuboso. That's why these areas I asked the brigade commander and the battalion commander to intensify para matap na. And they responded. They increased the number of combat operations, patrols, para ma-neutralize or hindi na madugangan pa, hindi na makakita po. And that's why that was the product of a successful operation sa 79 IB sa Tuboso to neutralize alias Jong. Dito rin naman sa areas ng Kawayan, inang grupo is responsible for the series of liquidation of innocent civilians in those areas. At sa earlier pa yan, may neutralizing ng 47 IB in Kabangkalan. So these are all connected. We are doing our job because there was a call for us to stop this liquidation and assassination of innocent civilians. That's why we have to respond. We have to do our job. Kasi very alarming na sa higher quarters, sa atong mga LGUs, sa community mismo. Reklamo na nga may pagkukulang ang aton response na may mga kalatabo ang nakapatay. Meaning, they're just, isipin mo, an armed group roaming around and may assassinate. That's why we responded. And this is the product of the dedication and commitment of your Philippine Army, together with the Philippine National Police and other law enforcement, other security forces of the government, para matap na kung may mga amuning kalatabo like assassination regulation.
Masabi sir sa aton mga combat operations, mga pupuluyo ang nagabulig sa aton, naghatag information, paano naman natin sila sir matagan man sa proteksyon natin? Kasi siyempre sila ang naghatag sa inyo sir sa information na nagresulta sa mga patinalagon na operasyon.
Well, we don't have to discuss the process, but it's part of our intelligence operations. That we protect those who give information, we protect those who cooperate with us para naman protektahan sila sa RESPA. And we have made some mechanism, systems, and processes to ensure na secure sila. And anyway, we have established through our community support program, CSP, diba, we deploy immersion of our soldiers. They themselves organize yung intelligence network in a barangay or in a community of our people para in case sudlan ulit. Muna ang panawagan ko dali sa Western Visayas. Na-clear na natin. We are trying to establish yung integrated territorial defense system. I discussed this with the mayors. Kung pwede, may mga integrated defense system para in case pagbalik, may alert na tayo. And we can use this ITDS para din sa pag-respond with other crises other than insurgency.